Well, when you're sitting there in your silk upholstered chair, talking to some rich folk you know, well, you won't see me in my ragged company, 'cause you know I can never be alone. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground, and you can send me dead flowers every morning. You can send me dead flowers by the mail, and you can send me dead flowers at my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Well, when you're sitting back in your pink rose Cadillac, making bets on Kentucky Derby Day, well, I'll be in my basement room with a needle and a spoon, and another girl to take my pain away. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground, and you can send me dead flowers every morning, and you can send me dead flowers by mail, and you can send me dead flowers at my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground, and you can send me dead flowers every morning, and you can send me dead flowers by mail, and you can send me dead flowers at my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. No, I won't forget to put roses on your grave.